Certo versus DiskDigger usage experience. Welcome to this video where we'll compare Certo and DiskDigger, two powerful tools in the realm of data recovery. Links to both products are included in the description, so feel free to check them out after the video. Let's explore their key features, target users, and how they differ in delivering value for recovering lost or deleted data. Certo is a specialized tool focused on iOS devices, offering not only data recovery, but also enhanced security features. It allows users to retrieve lost photos, messages, call logs, and app data directly from iPhones, iTunes backups, or iCloud. What makes Certo unique is its emphasis on privacy and security, helping users identify potential threats or vulnerabilities on their devices. The tool is straightforward, with an intuitive interface designed for non-technical users who prioritize simplicity and security. Certo is particularly well-suited for iPhone users looking for a comprehensive tool to recover lost data while keeping their device protected. DiskDigger, on the other hand, is a versatile file recovery tool compatible with Android devices, Windows PCs, and USB drives. It excels at recovering deleted files, such as photos, videos, and documents, from a wide range of storage media. DiskDigger provides both a basic recovery mode for non-rooted Android devices and a deep scan mode that requires root access for a more thorough retrieval. While its features are powerful, the interface is more utilitarian, which might appeal to tech-savvy users comfortable navigating advanced options. It's particularly effective for those needing a lightweight, budget-friendly tool to recover files across multiple device types. If you're an iOS user prioritizing ease of use and security, Certo stands out as an excellent choice. However, for those with Android devices or who need a recovery tool for various storage media, DiskDigger offers greater flexibility. Each tool serves a distinct audience, so the best choice depends on your specific needs. Check out the links in the description to find the one that suits you best.